an air Tom just couldn't refresh Ian of on saw my skull on. Couldn't keen to. Before
Cannot your YouTube post Irish?
Becorga Megshay Kuntis block.
Okay.
Dertar go will may BEO. Oh, Clushama go.
Yeah,
No.
that's my net. The dudes have made phone and shot. I was beaming it onto it. Flushed out of the echo.
Okay, not. Oh, Gahunta, clean shinish. Gahunta, right, toss it. Okay, Gahunta, right. Dave Accorda, fault ish stock, quig, BLOCTG4, howl, YouTube, and nugs. Tom just con, Dr. Hule mock, Twitter, Tasha Imha mock. And nukt Tom winna ig immert Borderlands Street, and my famous saw, le Rónan, do you quit Rónan?
Of course, just my livery.
Gahunta, August Ruadhán, do you quit Ruadhán?
Dave, lads.
Right, so yeah, Tommy to our YouTube, so Tommy con eruct Borderlands 2 Everett own Thus. So, a right in Stoka, Limmy with Dirka Stock, Neil round mo menu a click Eshkin talk, Tom can brew and clap. So,
you want to hear another story?
own Thus.
So, the Unrik we show for our Dave. Dimmer we show if I made a crew now with the law on it. The Hega will may intoch my go phone, but a piece of clock that has fallen up.
Hey, our light Tommy like Tusney own Thus, so beg to go bra. Yeah, weren't to be shade dark glory just because Neil shade go home long kasula stuff for no fortnight. August Gahor go she, you know, it's a Cade Farson, Shockus and Trio Farson is lesh. August Spralum on scale sa klessa on go ashtork to she on a groundwear. August yeah, to script on Anois. Galores, yeah. Galores lore stuff la loot all lesh.
Through their excavations, Hyperion
Well,
uncovered evidence of an
Dr. Schulte Maka Gumanish, Chickens retweets a Yenif.
To use its power to civilize the Borderlands once and for all.
Only lag Asian scale shot. Was she should have it though?
Nah.
I can't make with a Asian rave on now.
No, Tush Gabrad. Tush Gabrad.
The Kirko.
Yeah, Tush didn't come on, son.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it's for like the character around you. Tom Shakun Immert Mar 0. Well, to now Burton then character Kana occur stock, no?
No.
Aww. Oh, Dortchiger will tusa imaha.
Mise?
No, Ruadhán. Better go well be now count Ella Hiola Coos near Tom Shea stocks the Gleha.
Yeah,
it's some kind of hard engine.
Fire bay. Arriving to the character, Rónan.
Neil and Rónan go fall, but Peter Guguino share on Bahana. Previous character save found. Character level to Untitled. No, it's film and capture. Okay. Yeah, I'm allowed to do something on it.
Oh, Taturash, Sikla, Rónan.
Yeah, perfect.
Gahunduk. So when this now the scholar or the character Eshkin through on.
Talia.
Hey, Gahunduk. Right, Tom the shock. Woohoo! Alright, Lynn. Just gonna basically my mic.
Great. Another deadbolt hunter. Handsome Jack's been busy.
Okay. Claptrap booked.
Wait a minute. You're not dead. Yes! Now I can get off this glacier. Claptrap, your metaphorical ship has finally come in. Allow me to introduce myself. I am a CL4P TP steward bot, but my friends call me Claptrap. Or they would if any of them were still alive.
Hey, Tommy now and Shusha Ashkins. Hello.
Oh, I've got some everything for you.
Hello!
Here, take this
Okay,
echo
this
communicator that I totally just...
Hi, do you quit?
It comes with a class 12 heads-up display, complete with a mini-map.
Only Peter Buggy the phone.
Neil, Tommy just say costume Phil.
Man, this is great! Now that I've met a
Oh,
buddy,
listen.
Woohoo!
I can
Do you quit?
resistance and sanctuary, take vengeance against
Okay,
Jack, killing my
excellent.
product line, and repair my
Sinead?
processor, so I stop thinking out loud.
Oh, pouch, circle.
I'll explain everything soon, but know this. You're
Lane
allowed
Gunny
to
going go full.
Treat on Arthur Gunner.
help you.
Yeah, Sinead. August Kierno couldn't reload.
Okay, stop.
Yeah. August R2 couldn't just Dini or August Tatu now melee attack again le R3.
Walk short distances without dying will be handsome Jack's downfall.
Okay.
Colders.
Brooke are going to go.
Yeah, Tommy unsa
Okay, Doris, back my shit.
yeah, Kai can lad sin under Oscailt.
Open. Just a little added security. Gotta keep those bullymongs at bay, or they'll rip your eyes out.
Looter shooter. Oh, Keemsha who Ruadhán Giri Quillagura all. Keemsha just like Oscailt
I
Gockrad.
was getting confident on losing shots.
So
The looter.
Spots is fine.
everything Jack kills, dumps here. Bandits, all-hunters, class units. If I sound pleased about this, it's only because my programmers made this my default tone of voice. I'm actually now, the
Okay.
creatures around here are dangerous. None more than this bullymong named Knuckle Dragger. Killed everyone I know. Anywho, I keep a pistol in the cabinet over there for emergencies. But in here, we should be pretty safe.
Uh-oh.
Going on.
And lad war.
My eye!
Aww. Claptrap bucked. Okay, so she says
Stop and show.
yeah.
In the cabinet.
Come with Fnatic Claptrap or ish.
Once upon a time, 4 Vault Hunters changed Pandora,
Oscar and Doris Claptrap.
but their time has passed.
What she should name Oh, she tell Holland so
Pandora needs a
Show here.
Claptrap bug.
hero as you.
Bug.
From the excruciating pain, this is great! I've been waiting for a mighty Vault Hunter to help me
Come on,
reach
Iric.
sanctuary.
Just when they brew Claptraps to throw. Hey,
Ah,
Clap.
here, these little dull as well. Oh, the Doris more, okay.
Oh, brother, Vulme who sa hone. The himvishte.
That's good.
Great! Just let me get this door open and we'll hunt ourselves a bullymong.
Alright. Stuff moss me live.
Onward, seeing eye minion! Let me know if I'm gonna run into anything. Ah! I'll just assume you didn't see
I never
that.
gone again before. Couple
Neil?
Who trees on the vector? Better
Fine.
go. What's mission?
You hostig mission like on a lesh.
Male
Counting-
character again.
Oh, fun second. Jenny me check him gonna spare all take him.
Like an auto count on show.
Yep. Hey, do you great DJ? Can I talk to us? Fault stock?
That is the only place you will be safe.
Tá gonna gum spare all to must mean that.
Oh well, right.
Yeah. Sure, great. Count he's and so.
Yeah, fair. It's going
This-
to actually.
Yeah, I knew more keen to Kane Fogwell counting him.
Oh,
Okay,
no, I thought she'd go. Oh no, I thought she'd do.
Rónan to the hone Sidoris. Right, Glenn. Stuff! To the stuff Pillar and so. Oh no. Ariad!
Whenever you're ready, buddy.
Oh, Rónan Claptrap. Super size no hook. Uh-oh. Lads.
You're bullymong.
Alright, Glenn.
Minion, protect me, squire!
Actually, the king BEO would do sorry nice.
Oh. Okay. Tigwit. Hey, my shiv.
We don't get my eye back, we'll never get to Sanctuary.
Huh. Claptrap. Lads boats.
Lad and Clay is just like phonics like claptrap. There is those.
Or deuce. Yeah, should I? Alright. To health and sun must we live? Oh, Neil Glore Pillar, fuck him. Oh! Mise agus ma clia volvor. Ah! Okay, tough fucker. Hey. Get him, Duck.
I don't hear bullymongs anymore. Kinda just waiting on you.
Oh yeah, tá she's a tall of knuckle.
Take your time.
Oh, it's all, yeah.
Maybe you're thinking, oh, Claptrap. Many thanks, friend of friends. Onward!
Brother Claptrap, we more size can hook.
Jack here, president of Hyperion.
That's a himsha hoose. Okay, take him.
Vault hunters show up. Vault
Can I show?
hunter looks for the new vault.
Okay.
Vault hunter
Good
gets
look.
killed by me. You see the problem here? You're still alive. So if you could just do me a
Claptrap.
favor and off yourself.
Claptrap, Brussigard.
Thanks, pumpkin.
My eye just switched back on. I see a tough-looking minion and an incredibly handsome robot, which means that whoever has my eye is very close.
Hey, lad vor. Right in. Knuckled Dragger. Aw, knuckle she go hauling.
Somebody's smoother and lad show. Feeling she go, she needs SB BEO.
Oh, Tarash. Oh. Oh, who's the son? T'other tucked.
Oh, lad, do it.
Yeah. Dear Knacklin. Wah! Wah! Never clear. Woo! Level it do.
My eye for me. Oh, and I apologize for saying wall sphincters. Got my eye? Great. Now we just gotta find
Stuff and stuff. Nismo. Pillar. Gunny.
Optic surgery is best left to professionals. My pal Hammerlock in Liarsburg can fix me up.
Oh, Count Legendary.
Hannafin?
Yeah, Misha, Hamala.
Connus.
Yeah, this is go.
Just say in it. Okay. At galore. Beidir tishgwal tusa sa 40 mar tatu ar level ní sir de gná.
Vader, let's go. Your house.
Gohuntuk.
Near Muja and Olesh Ma, but it's a freshman.
Liarsburg's on the other side of this Hyperion barge. Let's say we cut through it, chum.
Oscar and Doris. Claptrap. Led the hull. Brussigert.
This Norse Hyperion tech. Child's play.
So simply Shinjo's Oscar, come on.
Tom Turgwin on a free
You know? They like
Claptrap.
I think they're going there and show us.
Oscar!
Well, it was nice knowing you. I hear getting eaten alive by bullymongs isn't such a bad way to go.
Let me get that for you. Executing phase shift.
Wow, that's Anna Fargo can son Rónan. Hey, Tom Rustig.
I'm networked into almost everything on this planet. It's a long way to Sanctuary. Please take whatever you need for the journey ahead.
Fibre bit.
Only your stuff.
Oh, wow.
You coming?
Hmm.
Let me know when you're ready to go meet with Sir Hammerlock, minion.
Hihi. Okay, claptrap. Raglan. Okay, tá sé chun an dúr sa oscailt inis. Okay, Raglan.
Níos a cléisio ach fannach ar dúirte bheith.
Yeah, no, sclíonn sé beáín san átatá teachsús le Hammerlock agus an son tar éis an áit san tá sé bhhad níos oscailte.
Let's go this way!
Okay, claptrap.
Keep your wits about you, minion. This glacier's run by a bandit.
Eisian ag titim sios
The
a
jerk
rís
down
agus
here is
rís.
a torture plaything for a few months.
Yeah, níl sin ag éiste le claptrap.
And don't get dumped into the acid.
Tá anna defer Ruadhán Broniger just hosta sé go ré.
I hear you. 3 of them does a legendary show. That's all.
Every jig am I, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ben Lynn just fannach sheer and
I've shown Dusha, Thomas.
Well, poison the high again is sig. Stuck on the sun.
Corrosive.
Ah.
No, sorry. Yeah, poison getting this.
Tá gona eile an sun in le claptrap. Tá níos mó lads hís an soch ceapam.
Down level at 3. Down level at 3.
Réal, ní léana hís an so. No.
Put us a stream on gun at the Agam Giddy encounter and all the
Trinton.
Hey, Hammerlock!
Come survive to now. Okay, fine. Okay, no.
Yeah. Mana, actually.
You're mala. Okay, go bra.
Must have been horrifyingly cruel to pass in a previous life to deserve this kind of treatment. I say, Vault Hunter, could you kill Fed's men for me?
Marv. Slán lat.
Got a proposition for you, Vault Hunter.
Hey.
You give up, we'll just shoot you in
Get
the
off, Olga.
head. It'll be quick,
Kiona 1.
Lad on.
less painful than what Handsome Jack will do.
Oh, ní smó. It talks him up.
Oh, he's going up.
Yep. Cool. Oh. Oh, clutch him, lad. Voor out. Yep. No, Shmarov. Hey! Gahuntuk.
Remember job Madishin. On the shim.
Mariderter? GG.
Hey, Hammerlock! Since my minion just saved your town, you want to do your bestie Claptrap a favor and return
Just kan ma runny ahu. Cap him. Cover him sniper. Oh, you sniper gun, really?
And I shall restore Claptrap's sight.
Oh.
First, I shall shut off the
Oh,
electrical
ta.
fence for you.
Gahuntuk, right.
Please stay back, Vault Hunter. Let Claptrap go first.
I knew Hammerlock would come around eventually. Me and him are like 2 peas in a pod. 2 bullets in a bag. 2...
Apologies, but when Claptrap speaks, I feel my brain cells committing suicide. one
Oh,
by
take him,
one.
Hammerlock.
Come on.
A pleasure to meet you, Vault Hunter. I am Sir Hammerlock.
Dig with Hammerlock. Falta. Is Bralum just na steal the graphic he's a class of?
Yeah, she Lakasula cartoon, agus Lakasula like comic nerd.
Yeah, Sinead. So she on a cool lesh nor a Jin and Dini cosplay, the Borderlands.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
on.
on
Anois.
a cooler fod agus son na linty ar aig agus mar sin de agus stuff mar sin. Oh, runner.
Okay, we'll let him go to the buddy shin them off.
Sin fós bio.
Now, I'm going to connect this to this. That should do it.
Yo! Kan tá sib seo dhéanamh hús an son.
I just saw someone like drop it, agus some shin.
So tú ar ceann.
uglier than I remembered. Time to join up with the Crimson Raiders and Sanctuary.
Oh,
This place is
damn it.
full of nothing but murderers and jerkbags, like that Hammerlock dude.
Tuggy mission.
Standing right here, dude.
Oh, middle of the Dulanish.
Now that
Tá ar glabhart lena chéile.
on the main power. This town's full of things that may be used.
Like, taking a good scale about the show, but like, trust the guards.
Minion, run!
I see our
Right, tá sesin chun an doras oscail
scribble
ceapam.
about bringing peace to the frontier. Then
Better than in car, come on,
women
no?
and children like it was
Ní go fóil ach beg bhíonna down glua.
position again on. I
So
apologize.
turret leis agus mar sin de.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Okay, so inis fannacht.
There you are. No Captain Flint.
So that
here,
ammo
Lies,
all
but
come
I
off
see
the
no
ship.
reason
Yeah.
that wild bullymong should
Well,
lollygagging
Ian-
about the place, disrespecting the memories of the former townsfolk. If you could clear the town of them, that would be most.
Alright, Táid géirí na lad seo bharú
Active mission. You can change your active mission by using the mission log in your active
an
device.
na circle. Sa.
Oh, the major case Ibra amach gonna sprinky out. Near hope Jeff demo with them.
Oh! Oh, a Cree! Yay, tam fusfio. Hey, stop!
That's one area free of bullymongs. This would be an even greater achievement if anyone in Liarsburg was still alive to celebrate your victory, but still, well done.
Right, Shiston, Tother, Hiesen Sut. Tally ho! Uh oh. Uh oh, McCree. Tom, Hiesen Sut. So gonna Ella on Son. Not in one focus.
Most efficacious.
Woohoo! Data!
Bullymongs will think twice about raiding peaceful cities in the
Right,
future.
Rockman Hoos. Con Lartlish.
Tá sé cinál linear mar leisgáil, tá sé oscailte comá, tá sé dead with the mark of that.
Tá. Oh no, knapping me cart. Call to Hammerlock.
So, how are you enjoying life?
Sinead.
This town
Carl
must have a
Lart
spectacular
le
town.
Claptrap Capum.
Bustle. If you're to survive out here for any.
Here's what's gonna happen, Vault Hunter.
Hello,
My
mercenary
first mate,
person.
Boom Boom, is gonna kill ya.
Okay,
Jack's
Raglan.
gonna pay us, and I'm gonna play hopscotch in your chest cavity.
Come on, buzz the guards.
So Caig. Muid an stuff shot. Okay, so Nish, so áit seo tá sé níos oscailta.
Careful taking down food.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, how did Brussels suck? How's your day been, buddy?
I've taken out their claptrap on town clubs.
Tom, Captain Grodún dul yeah, Howland so.
Tá Ruadhán éis rithar a highlight sé in ríis.
Does the trophy card?
An Wilmot?
An tro sin.
Yeah, cause Nílín an bhfuil ein shield a give se, cause tá ceanna gun gum.
Oh, yeah, Cami Dilla and Shaw reduce.
Yeah.
We've hijacked the train that runs
Yeah,
through the
can't
dust.
sit.
If all goes well, we should get to Sanctuary in a day's time. Hyperion hasn't diverted any troops from New Haven to pursue us, and a sandstorm has devoured their
Yeah,
base.
L3 can ri.
We just need...
Uh-oh. Hey, Tusa, call two. Do you good?
Covered one of Helena
Uh-oh.
Pierce's audio logs.
No, quick look.
Lieutenant of the Crimson
Two Marv?
Anti-Hyperion resistance.
Tamarash.
Oh, so it's a rush, okay.
To know what became of her. If you could find the rest of those audio logs, I would be more
Plushim
than happy
se
to pay you.
duine aigen ag, you know, fum the high sagan.
Oh.
Chétá fóca. Eisiau Marv, go bra. Right, Tom, she's just con leanúnt. Call him a sniper. Shields a good inis, well.
Smash.
Oh, I need to vote.
Okay.
Oh, tá, yeah, that kind of...
Oh no, top, yeah.
Tá lads howl on saw. Tá they're talked. Right. Raglan! Yo! Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Tom here. She is, stop, she is. No! Oh no! I'm far too good. Oh, Tom, she can boss all.
The lady and show the Maru.
Oh, can find up for a second wind. Woohoo! Girl, good.
Oh, Mise in ahead.
Oh, well, he... Oh.
Ní éán virtue gonna haul it's not great.
Alright.
But Corco men to yeah, Neil to co-father. Right. Catá dhéanamh a gine inis. Who's her in Tilol? Who was she? Oh, Kim Sha. Sinead?
Tasha, yeah.
Gohunduk, so tá gádaún cause Knappy dhéanamh?
Tá, yeah.
And will Claptrap go lay us go doing or?
No, to Knapp I guess.
This is so important than main quest, definitely.
Oh.
Cammy still a rash, quick claptrap in it.
Okay, Claptrap. Rashlin. I shouldn't just ag fannach dún. Or like, yeah, no, Tommy says no hook. So.
Like Mario Dini and shit.
Could be their shoe load, should I?
What's she? Oh no, not Hobber. Oh, I thought she who's and saw.
She and saw, yeah.
Ah, Claptrap. Alright. Call toy, you know, Claptrap.
You wish a reaction shoulder for mid boss. Your Higmaker shouldn't be guys.
Alright, fiber it.
Nice pro cigarettes.
Oh no, Bach. Yeah?
Let me know when you're done with that job. Is that job I sent you on going okay?
Korean job.
Cane job. Justini Awaru?
Best minion ever, Dershig. Dershig escort Claptrap to his ship, security. Shouldn't Dershig dump it anyway?
Yeah, mission. Oh no, Toshi talked.
Yeah, it's on a ship, on Shin. My fucking
She broke a reach. Okay.
Alright. Oh, Dini and Sut.
That's on Shin, right?
Okay, Dirk cool. Oh, Hirkish. Eileen ammo gum. Alright, Eileen ammo gum. Oh.
These are human beings with lives and families and totally kidding. Screw those guys.
Okay, Raglin. Okay, so tá níos mó ammo gum tá amar sniper gum, so Tom just con long range of because it's fated live shall land into right.
Nah, that's even worse. I'll tell you what, I'll give it some more thought.
Now took Lordini Citrosa. Just yeah.
Woo.
Rónan yet, Tom. Alright, dinner one Marv.
Oh, Mise Emma.
Tom se beagnach in that lad. Just a Gary. Lane. Kate Hoffoka. Alright lads, who's in son?
Count one.
Okay, count one.
Oh.
1 second, Rocky me in Acklet.
Oh, you're mate. Got it.
Hey, for a Scrodam son. Okay, let ho. Didn't want focus? Okay, Bert. Yay, Nismo ammo gum. Fiera. Gahuntuk. Danta. Nismo ammo gum nish? No. Tá Hearth Air. Fehe Pilargum. Oh.
More on it, yeah.
No.
Okay, the claptrap of Gusco Doris.
Woohoo! Mahu claptrap.
I should probably clarify. The
Right
diamond
it
horse I've been telling you about, he's not a sculpture or anything.
Lad Ellen shot.
It's a living horse that actually happens to be made of...
Smoke, right.
Actually, I'll go get it.
Oh, come on, health on each shot.
Here, girl. Bud Stallion. Say hello. Yeah.
To.
Bud Stallion.
Boss fight, so it's in shot, come on.
To, yeah. Kinta. Okay, lads. Okay, our gay boss.
Light the fuses, bitches!
Come on, her Mad Max are shooting.
Knockwill, yeah, Kinta.
Ready to blow!
Okay. Ganari Galiv. Tom kun sniper enough to Knockwill Glore.
I should have as
Will Shashnig. Okay. Oh, Tom Shiz. Tom Shiz. Will Shisha now me all.
Yeah, check him out, go get the dish. Second one.
You're my good.
Wow, you work out or...
No!
Oh, this is squealer in. Okay, this is.
Ah, tomorrow. No, fire bit. Chicken me rash.
I don't know what she is.
Oh wow. Tom Shea Vaduv. So big arm ray.
You're mad good. Alright, give me a rush.
Tom Sugar it.
Hey!
Whoa, took a lot of stuffy Torloons.
Yeah, it's like the meal for lads do it, they stop.
Oh, spread him the grades. Uh-oh. Kita Foka. Clushim Dini ag Scradi a lot. Captain Gertusa. Gertusa Toy everyone. The character.
Is it? Oh, my character, yeah.
Okay, claptrap was gonna do it.
Okay, so tá slánta and some galore lore grenades and some lesh.
Cannon, rolling cannon.
Understand? If you shot the gate now,
Cormac.
serious damage to me. So don't do that.
Lads of chalk, lads of chalk. Cormac. Not a Rokung Tishker will on a Yoke Olvergum. Do you know what do you need some detox? Dini. Legacy Smo.
John Esky arms are just brand new or her big fob off and her dinner plus a number of that.
Right, yo. Shin mar dirter. This stuff in. No, Tom.
Where should have a skill point, actually?
Actually, yeah, Jenny may check. Force count of one yet. Actually, just Tom she can. Oh, Thomas call on the Gleam 13 pool.
Can I say heck on them the skill points?
Touchpad?
Touchpad.
Mutiny on Captain Flint's ship before the flash freeze, which explains why his men are currently beating the crap out of me, right, guys? Shut up.
Collision. Lone Sposkam. Tom just kan ma goni ahru lesh maar t'other size cack for her. Gus togi min canchin. Or maggot.
Skill points. The 3 now.
What for a second? Is féad le just brand new ar na skillna tágus? Hogs, I'm just con. Fósníl galore pillar gum. Just shas go hook to gain. Oh, it's feeling the lads a toy Ethel 13 pull.
Keen on show. This better.
Well, okay. Go bra. Just be Cormac Fina lads who's spare.
I'll miss you quite up and
Nah, fibre.
But Neil up K doesn't. It's not married to go at it.
Oh, to go lore hearting pillar and just oh! Stop! Carcalore. Summer just egg re tree Pandora, Gamla scale, nobody Gervaso. Just a gin of trust.
Claptrap's got a new friend, huh?
Ah! Stop!
Missed the little hunk of junk.
Stop!
When we set him on fire, brings a tear to my eye.
Right. Stop in. Oh. Tother. Temple Genie Mac. Lads who's in Solish.
The true world revealed. Weakness is now known to me. Time to go to work.
Oh, I hear Kish. What 3? Called in the heart temple. Just Marv. Neil galore slaughter gum. So Kaime Rudkin to all. Yeah, I go. Oh! Stop! Stop, no soil! Should come on, crack alta! I hear it! Made fume it. Oh, dear, anaculum.
Oh, badass.
Top. Yelena ammo gum. At least one need chucked. Just 13 foot. Okay. Lad shin imaha. At least one dini foka. Just the eating scradil on Tamwer fod. Didn't I can oh, nil ain't ammo gum reached. Yeah, Kai may just shaky in. Okay, yeah, fun.
I'm on shot.
Garagas, okay, cool. Garmagut. Agus Lean Danella Heart Temple. Nílach gofuintí slánta gum féile so alright. Oh no, tá sipa so lads dear canaclum. Níl ammo gum reached. 1 second. Dear, took a lower lads, Heart Temple. Can I bugger? No!
Oh, to me, okay.
Fun. Woo! Woohoo! Ashen mar fibre bit. Can need some ammo all. No. Okay, I thought Foka. Better go check Houston, so. Whew, Cuninish. Ah, brush a biog. Fear like Visig Immert on faces saw in my einer, like so. Keep it all in.
So it's on pizza shot I got there.
Ina Gary Isk. No, níl na gan sin Fós tom gan pilair a ríist.
Ah, yeah, near sin das.
No. Nís one dínig tá ceapam. Oh, slanta. Tugí mé cean sin agus lads a tucht. Oh, gone ammo. Here, Kish, level a sé. Oh, my gonna.
Be our personal torture buddies for life, and we won't kill you.
Tom's just gonna do all slán leis an cean san. Agus tógigh mé an cancel.
Oh, Mise finished it.
A reached? Right, Berglin.
Rim right with the on it.
Fire bit. No. Tatu. A mask. Yeah, throw yakker cap him. Do all. Just some grenades all Clive Zeus. Alright, lad, Biogig talked. Oh, Dini. Who's my Aixa? Neil my shield gum. Fire a bit. Okay, shield new again. Lad, so. Aharu kun mas sniper, you saw it. Hey, Falter Ash! Ah! Let me sniper. Jacker galore. So top. Right, it just a Nakalena. Falter out! Get off, Oka. Lad, who's in so? Ahru Queen was sniper reached. Oh, it's on real cold mile. Was she his reach? Okay. Didn't act last. Nope, fire a bit. Right. So Bert Foka, Capam? Oh no, to Medinta? Aye.
Yeah, can you claptrap all?
Yeah. She dear can so hello! Oh, some biognach mar of a corda. That one Foka? Okay, time to just con bugger ash, just con stuff all and so.
Yeah, it's not.
Mar Neelock, initially lock Winty, a come. Woohoo! Snow. Oh, Slanta. Hey. Quite good Winty. Hello, just a tree here. Oh, need some stuff. Do go claptrap. Garmagat. Who? Lad show. Dig it. Oh, Tom Dirkanaka. Leis an lad so. Come on, reload, let it hull. Okay, Tom BEO. Gone ammo reached. The lad dear. Sinead? Ma Shiv. Whew. Alright, just con reload of an council. Becorgum Tom should just coniri max ammo Chanok so chupa mar just
Stairs? I can't climb
Novrue.
stairs.
Novrue. It's gas tank on counting. Yeah, no. It's just like brand new Arctic Shaz of Deer Coast of Court.
I was like, Brandon's a different lot of bus killer.
Oh no!
Go on.
Big for that turf and
So lads who's in Solish. Oh. Alright. Okay. Totally tucked. Oh. Thomas shield Emma Harris. Ah. Oh, Tother hiss. Oh, gun shield reach. Alright. Okay, tough okay. Sinead. Alright, sizzling. Alright, need some slanted gum, need some more pillar gum. Need some lads and so running off the court. Ah, here's good knock. Okay. On reload just go home on Meryl. Okay, to Ella to fuck. Ah. Okay, go bra. Burst Foka. Oh no. They're cool.
Oh, I should try to get them back.
Go bra. Oh, Hirkish. Lord Dini chopped an ish. Snealing grenades gum. Okay. No, that's the bra. Right. Brush a bioga reached. Some air get game. Could spray on gunsa. Inside gonna. Been my sniper, Tommy Erie, Togig me rash. Small sniper rifle. Drop. Is Togig me. Shinarash. Cartoon? Oh, Claptrap touch sessioning talk to Sana. No. Should he start?
no, he was top. Touch like chat Susan and shit.
Oh, top. Okay.
Or the whore.
Oh,
boss fight come up. Susan and shit.
Oh, ta. Miss Queen Lamination. Health and Sun must me live.
Oh, actually.
Oh, ammo! Woo!
Thanks for the stretch. Lovely.
Fue Yara. Alright. Just gonna reload again if I'm gonna ear fod. Right, stuck in.
Come on out, Flint! Your claptrap unit has returned!
Oh,
okay.
Really place,
Tá rudí pléisce. Flint.
The new torture dolls, boys. Let's turn up the heat.
Alright, lads, alright, Lynn. Captain Flint.
Smaller one, lad, sure.
It's holiday.
Traitors! I'm so sorry, Captain Flint! Please,
Space
don't
pirate
burn me
or whatever.
again!
She chucked. Well, to claptrap tree. Yeah. Uh-oh. Tom, tree in it. Yeah, Tom should just, you know, tree in it for a little bit. No, just gonna boss all reached. Ah. No. Dear, oh, dear Air McCown. Air McCown. Okay. Gurma good Flint. Oh, August a reach Air McCown. Oh, I lied. Some shake trid. No, Tom hiss, some hiss.
Here it goes.
Oh,
goes the gun, but the deck is oh. Oh, Mr. Tree Hen in it.
Hold me. Oh, shift shot. Alright.
Somebody's checking that in for that like a D-shot.
Yeah, top. Ah! Boss are all reached. Come on, BEO. Can I want that? Can I want that? Shema? Okay, lads, take care of them. Garmagot. Garmagot. Can we reload again of some size tray hinna lesh? Okay, Toy, full boss. Ah, Tom Hiss, Tom Hiss. No, Tom. Yo. Oh, that's Carolash. Okay, Tom Foka. Shanae?
Shanae, yeah.
Wow, Corda. On Chanis. Wow, GG.
Moshev. We may go around mom wade, but the yarn may more on to pension.
No, been Dakar glow. Okay, catch up. Do you dull stock of the Etlon, the heist? We can Etelt ge Otkin.
Oh, let's go shit there. Oh, another shot.
No, I'm not gonna saw. Gonna yellow. Alright, clutch up. Tom Rake. Hey, Orlton Falter Stock. Tom with good bra. Tusa tusa. Enough.
There she is! Me mighty vessel!
Oh, Capisker Sportsera Target. Yeah. Okay. It's so good. Right, clutch up. Raglin. Yo, Leroy me lads can stuff all.
And now, let us set sail!
Yo!
Stuck in, sure.
Oh, damage. Let's all shot, okay.
Tom Rig. Yo! Okay, more Shiv. Go bossna. Maraha. The Gwyn. Vian Canshin size stacker galore though. I guess lied Vian respawn dear connect. Yeah. It's like a great of lads I like lads I love you Gwyn or oh. Oh.
You go on ahead. Tell the locals what we'll
Okay. Oh.
Sanctuary's off limits. You bloodshots can stay in your hole.
I see you.
T'other Trid Hoos and son.
Awesome. Why don't you boys run on back to your
Oh,
camp?
lads, dear consult.
Oh, good idea. I think we'll just turn around and head back to our
Oh.
Pandora is a violent and dangerous place. Sanctuary is slightly less so. You'll need a car to reach the city gate.
Yeah, Tommy's core all galua.
Car. Class.
Ah!
Whoa.
Stop! Stop! Ah.
Yay, worried me. So for me, 100 me rush, Morgan, they marred.
Yo!
She's actually on our show. Or if I fall boss, just didn't know.
Yeah, no, it's one on Skilson. Okay, need some more chocolates and so. Uh-oh.
I vanish.
Oh, one more shot.
Can't they've heard them, Lesh. Oh, gone ammo reached. Eee, level is shocked. Uh-oh. Nice ammo. Gone ammo? No trick shame. Pelarigum. Alright, you're right, Glyn. Oh, ní some ammo. Thomas just couldn't dog quick on chuppa. Just on so. On machine on so. Can you get it? Yoy me ammo so. This can annoy me grenades.
Controls these Catch-A-Ride machines. He may be short a few chromosomes, but he's a savant when it comes to vehicles. He's locked the station to prevent the bandits from using it. But I'm reading an inactive Hyperion bot in the Bloodshot camp. If you can attach its interface adapter to the Catch-A-Ride, I can hack the machine and get your car.
Tommy, piece of all. Yeah, well, no need she thought. Just, call me just need more Dini Avaru. So it's so good she size talk, Doug. Alright. Grenades. Fire it! Oh dear, Dina, cool. Son. Okay. On no hooker fods. Ada one foca? No Shanae? Cap him?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, so can we adapter all? Nothing. Hold on. Ah, loader bot.
Just attach the adapter onto the Catch-A-Ride.
Okay, Tommy can core all. Alright, so I'm just gonna get your own gore. So Tottenham birth the Cura core, so it's feeling gawky now all. Oh, let's come in.
Go in shot.
What's that? Small. Can't see him.
Rescinding lockdown.
Two of them, come on,
Machine, a crooked car.
Yeah, Shanae.
Authorized user accepted. Enjoy the ride, and there's There's a pimento taco, pimentaco in the glove box.
Oh, pin and taco.
Cool. Try requesting another car.
Okay.
Okay. Granella, that a hole?
Oh.
Colin car.
Darren Shiggle didn't on you saw it.
Oh,
That's all you said, Rónan, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real charmer, that one.
Oh no, Tom stuck core.
Should now be able to
5 seconds.
construct a car from any catch-a-ride
Yo, McCann
station.
one Ella.
Now use one to jump that gap.
1 second.
Okay, that's Granella Jackson it.
Okay, yeah, agus joig me count leis.
Kind of controls are each like car.
Okay, so L2 or L2 kun an gunny you saw it. Agus an Sean straight like on
Mise, it's a gun turret agus it's a tomat. Bra.
Yeah, so cad wait, King question target run?
Can't go on boost, Captain.
Oh, L1 can boost.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Now head to Sanctuary
Yo!
and find Roland. He'll want to meet the Vault Hunter.
So it's for that a or L3 or L2. Yeah.
Oh yeah, sure. Anois.
Here's the spirit.
So, unburned things like intelligence, culture, morality, honor.
Okay.
Good looks, I could go on, but I won't. But I can. Ah, dignity! I almost forgot to mention dignity.
Loose and soft. Something there. Right. Oh, time to size grandma. Uh-oh. He's small. Right, rock me to rag. Ah, look at she should go hauling. Just trust in a gore. Now, rag a sanctuary. Howling so. Oh! Brother! Yo! Sprallam a Vesicor just so to go our slanting and lads up. Yo, Danta. No, it's feeling need to mock the shock the sanctuary ish. Ah! Kill the Horla.
You're never getting into Sanctuary, you bloodshot skaglicks. Hold up.
Traverse.
Vault Hunter. Just a sec. Rónan wanted to talk to you. Let me echo him. Oh. You're the one I've been hearing all this radio chatter about. Name's Rónan. I used to be a Vault Hunter like you. Until I We'll catch up when I get back to Sanctuary. For now, I need your help. My men tell me Corporal Mise hasn't returned the power cord to keep the city ship.
No! I want to say you saw the legendary Gunna.
She's in a duel. I was like, if I was with the kid at Tarnu.
You're actually Corm. Okay. Nishkai made him corporal. Captain. No. Will we down Dulles shop? Neil Gaffol.
We're to keep the gate closed until you return with the power core.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, fire away.
Kijk, ik ga je straks car.
Just coming on Leerscala Oscult.
Wel moet go. Animate something.
Yeah, fire away. So, just to show stuff.
Handsome Jack here, reminding you all not to worry your pretty little heads about those earthquakes.
Oh no, throw me car, Rónan.
Order and safety for us all.
Captain Gore doing dull treat. Yeah, okay, so ni kind made lame to mock us and Gore. Oh wow. Okay. Níl go leor santa fós gom.
Stealth.
Stop! Lad of one focus. Marv. Alright, Sislin. So, oh, nice mode. That's who's this up? Oh, gone. Post gone. Galore Swanta. Ah, Cleave. Yeah. Yo!
That sample will do admirably. Find me a few more.
Stop. Okay, yeah, Tom can boss all reached.
Hang on, the attack.
Dear lads, like sure Derek and Acklam.
Yeah, great, far right over it is.
Yeah. Germagut?
Thanks.
I don't want to fuck it. Hey, Germagut! Whew! Cree. Right, so tá Beidir go Willimanán dul lenar gore on sun nílim ró cínta. Ah, tá mé de ré ernst scra. Uh-oh.
I vanish.
Okay, the fast travel I should have shot. Go on with the gate up.
Fun second Tom did a trid.
Oh, you're a bigger range.
Yeah. Oh no, Tom's gone. I'm all reached. Foca. Wow, to slew more. Okay. Ah. Yeah, so níl mar now fast travel in tish can knock around where egg and all Tanafine.
Ah.
Yeah, so just told me it's feeling actually core.
Okay, so 3 lot of
Yeah, it's fair. 1 second. What's that? Emma?
So Mise great the thrower lads are
Trosha! Rónan Hallansa!
Vír dul balagala about him.
Oh, need to go over player. One thing now and double treat and stuff.
Oh, no matter.
Oh. Oh, nearly now Mogum. Reached.
Woohoo! Worried me, honey me rash.
Okay. Right, okay, Rash. Pig R. To the gear you've redeploying. Alright, so Tomid Inishik Iri Dull Size Istoka.
Control shot. Oh.
Yeah, Lanoi Misha Tusa.
Okay.
Yo! Oh! Spralling the buggy so. Just go toppy. Oh. Do it. Oh, Lazic chopped. Okay.
Can I get extradial like Howard and shit? Right?
No, it's Taffy. Okay, that's war. At Biog. Okay, danger. Ah, on cactus. 1 second. Right, leave me no knock. What's up? It's Remidhus.
Goddamn bloodshots, there's too many of them.
Nice Mo. Oh, snapping me cart. Fós. Gone ammo a reached. Fónta same ha. Oh, no, supposed to be over it. Right.
Yeah.
Oh, here goes. Lean slánta agam. Cardiac, wow. Shask though.
Yeah.
Agus fós níl ammo. 23 to mention ammo's co-topics and.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, yeah.
Right, turn that so who's so. Yeah, tá, cínta cuihín tá. Níl just níl aon piléir agam. Chun sé seach mórm.
Whoa.
Just a calculor.
Vault Hunter. Didn't think I rated that much of a rescue. One of those psychos ran off with the power cord.
Oh!
Without it, Sanctuary will be defenseless. Get that core back to Sanctuary. I'm just gonna take a nap. Wake me up.
Colin Lazar. R.I.P. Snarl that Reese.
Whoa. He was one of the first
Oh.
Crimson Lancemen I recruited to the Raiders.
Uh-oh.
Get that power core back, and while you're at it, kill some bandits for Reese.
Oh, here goes. Some gone ammo are reached.
Gonna hate shot, Chris. Shock him on.
Sometimes your echo device can't find the precise location of what you're looking for. Search the area marked by the big-ass green circle on your menu.
Oh, McCree. Right, so Tom made. Dal size, it's Russia. Right, rocket with the rash. Digwit! Falta! Cormac, Rónan, Tutu size, Jerkin Aklish, the Nida.
Just make shots event.
Yeah. Right, lads. So she says Jacker obviously like Etel Tartipel.
Oh,
Okay, throw shot. Stop. Lads, Tommy, to just to Gary, or Juras. Then into regular Juras and stuff. Alright. Alright, it's Stoka. Tug Lord Dini Lamar, he's and stuff. Yeah, tough. Alright, Gunari Galin. Uh-huh. Fiber. Neil. Todd grip. Oh. Uh-oh.
Sure.
Ah!
That's the power core.
Well, Toshi Gunnarinos.
Jack won't destroy Sanctuary today, at least.
Comid.
Now get back to the city.
Kuldanari.
We'll meet up once I get there. Welcome to the Crimson Raid. Oh, damn it. I'm being attacked. I'll see you.
No. Gomlash kill. Nomad. Keen Fogel to Sagiri May. Hurrah! 0. Brussigert. Okay, Tom can boss all. Jerk and knack leis an lads Nomad. Should Gary Mayamaru. Oh, reload! Skumal! Oh, for me. Woo! Some BEO. Post BEO. Alright. Dig it. Oh. What's the scarecrow? Mr. Gum. Okay, Kate off Volka. Tusa. Alright. Calling me lame, laying grenades gum, I reached.
Oh, he's dodging a grenade.
Vertical Marv, Thaw. What's I called to him here? So.
So, for me, now. Come on,
Alright, Tonismo. Arish, Tonismo ammo.
Mr. Fashion.
Tom just a rare hard people. Shocked I got a fehead though. Bloodshot, so Totror Inotikins.
Oh, short was on showing up.
Oh. Can you just do it, man?
Yeah, that's it.
Tom should talk to Mock. Alright, Tommy chopped. Who's here in.
Oh, who's Shane? Okay.
Game sheet. Hiya! Uh-oh. Ah, here goes.
Oh.
No, Tom Hayes. The lad like Houston son. Am I good?
Rónan.
Oh no, Tom Hayes a reach. Oh no, Tom Burst a good Hayes. No.
Maru.
Hello.
This is a message to Sanctuary.
Yeah, Neil touched the Hayes spoon cap him. So, cosa corsilessa? Touching footballs.
Hey, oh, you're
Yeah, Misha. Oh, Coco Grug. Fiber bit, beg me rash. Tom shit Marv, so I'll check me rash. Just kind of need more pillar.
I got a little secret that you know what?
Grenades. Well, to Rónan on side trid in Aner.
Well, the car of them, so they may alright.
Right. Ta core Congrok galore lat. Ruadhán. Ton respawn on fada.
Should have all gone to the car and he on also.
Tá they're on, yeah, tá. Okay. Checking me a rash coot Ruadhán.
Yeah, fire of it.
Well, Congrok galore. Just gonna loopy Yenov.
Sure, it's a third shot.
So.
Oh.
Actually, no, full boss mar beg to beg and respawn Dear Canacklin.
Oh, what? Oh,
yeah, it's all, yeah. So. Rashka Sanctuary. Tá, yeah. No coming to Rashka Sanctuary, yeah. So, Hansa. Hello.
Eve.
Wow, okay.
Alright, Rashlin.
Alright, got it, okay.
Yo!
Rónan, is that you? Oh, it's the Vault Hunter. Get in quick. Roland's echo communicator went dead. We need your help.
Fire be. Stocklin. Woo! No, Neil. Okay, size coher on nuts or you know so. Neil galore spot the corner. Calor. So, Tomid Ishta. Sanctuary. A Kiapum Gergodun Peter Niswantini or.
Made it to Banditville, huh? Well done.
Oh, no. Oh, who's
It'll be nice to see a friendly face when I'm burning that place to the ground. Oh, and you're the one Commander Rónan was talking about. The one who faced Jack and lived. Look,
and Mise.
We need your help bad. But first things first. Plug that power cord to the shield generator.
Fiber B. Yo!
Woohoo! Get it much up.
Good. That ought to last us a day or two.
Rónan was supposed to bring us some intel on how
Okay.
to stop Jack.
So that Neil and Shay Gator lad.
Talk to Private Jessup at the gate. He'll let you. Jessup, stand up straight. We got a vault hunter headed your way.
Fire a bid, Jessup. Right. Oscar.
Doesn't stand a chance.
Oscar la Doris.
Vault hunter. Jack doesn't stand a chance.
Want du kunna ge Oscar nu to grandma? Hello?
Resistance has needed somebody like you for a while now.
Jessup?
We'll make it through this.
Want us a BO?
Boy, am I glad you showed up.
Okay, actually, bugger.
Oh, Kagshay, yeah, Kagshay.
Yeah, Tarash. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Jessup. Shul. Mahu. Monfar.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, we midgets of Alec here. Okay.
Yeah,
Alright, Shocklin. Just can. Just keen to for the kid.
Darn. Roland needs your help. Without you, the Crimson Raiders don't stand a chance against Jack. Please find out where Roland's gone. Sanctuary.
Oh, Scooter.
Oh, crap. Did you have hearing? I heard all of you
Just beginning Ishko.
Do you wire death machines to come for me once Roland went missing? Now, if you're here to kill me, you should probably know. You'll never take me alive, you robotic son bitch!
Just Scooter tells from the Borderlands / Sean Grabber.
Well, hang me up. Now, you gonna help us out with this Roland situation?
Yeah, fire with Scooter. Caro mid last.
Roland told me if he ever disappeared, I was supposed to initiate Plan B. Or as I like to call it, Plan turn this city into a floating ass fortress of airborne awesomeness. I got some fuel cells around here. You'll need oh, you'll need this iridium here too.
Yeah, throw them an iridium le hall Germagus. Some Yuxa.
Scary stuff. Goblin stuff.
It's just a Yako, really.
You're gonna need a third, which is why I gave you that here red rock. You can buy the last cell from Earl's black market. Careful though, Earl's crazy. He ate one of my cars once. Yeah, the whole car.
Left work. Right, fiber bit. Yo, bit na pieces ta ui. Stig sa chahar. Right, coming down Rihar people.
Bandits of Sanctuary.
I'm a
I
one
hear
shot.
a new vault hunter has arrived in your city,
Good.
so just turn him into me and you'll be rewarded. Don't worry, nobody's gonna turn you in. You're our only hope of stopping Jack.
Germago Jessup. Right, Tom should. Con Re Citrosa. Count one.
Roland said we gotta have an exit strategy just in case he ever disappeared and sell fuel cells and whatnot. Bummer though. He really wanted to meet you. Raiders ain't gonna last without some new blood, and given how you shot them bandits up, I'd say you and Blood got an extra special relationship. Like cousins taking a bath together.
Oh, it's problem script.
It's gone alright.
Right. Tá Ruadhán an gglair leis an lad seo, so Tom se chun dul sa trosa. Oh!
Could I have a refund, please? This gun doesn't seem to work.
Ruhis go dtí character nua.
Looks like it works to me.
Marcus. Smaller Marcus.
Right. So, to Iridium 1 alone. Capan.
Yeah, it's coming down fuel cell stuff and shit.
Oh yeah.
Hey, thanks for grabbing all that stuff for me. 3rd-degree burns are best taken in shifts. Now, to see the fruits of your loins, this city's gonna fly!
Ooh. Brannig. Go hard in.
Or not.
Aww.
Damn. Now we really
Limit
gotta
connected.
find Roland. You know what? Maybe get to Roland's place. I think he might have left a message there for you.
Hey! You found a customization station! You can use this to
What?
change your appearance
Cut one alert.
and
Vault Hunter, get in. Roland left a message for you.
Okay, fire with Jessup.
Are we having fun yet?
Right, Thomas chickens up.
Hey, soldier. If you're hearing this, I'm in trouble.
Go, brah.
Right now, you're the only thing standing between this city, hell, the whole planet, and Handsome Jack's army. I left info about my whereabouts in my safe. You can use it to store anything you need.
Oh, need some more iridium.
Good luck.
Oh, cool too.
Tomsha in Ifig, Roland.
Okay.
Sinish, Tomsha, Joel, who's star? Brand new air on safe Olvorsa. Oh. Can swap you in. Oh. Someone now in Grunny Kirstock and so.
You mean the mass murderer bounty hunter? Oh crap! If the Firehawks got him, Roland's in deep! You gotta get to Frostburn Canyon and rescue his ass!
Okay, Fiber Bay. Corroy Bilish.
Captured by the Firehawks.
She's in lame to mock and Vinog.
You're the only one who can stop
Slon!
Resistance can't last much
He knows
longer.
the best way to strike at Hyperion.
Alright, lads, Tommy can dull a rash quick and core.
I'm shocked.
Fire a bit. Some shake rip. Yo! Oh, spread him decoy. Well, a nish toggle or bill ergum. So, Tom. He sucks off still, I'm fine. Just couldn't reload it, you know. Because by me. Right, they made rash stocks the gore. Oh, Genie Mac! I was like the character gore. Oh, sorry. Okay, go hunter. Tommy kan limp stocks the gore ish. Right, deploy Ella. Let's deploy Ella. Now. Sheev. Tother up. Yeah, totally right. Because Tommy Dolgrig. Oh, okay, so Trosa. Annoying Mehu! Oh. Tother topic lore, small of it. Okay, rash using stuff. Oh, oops. Dirk's what's up? Actually, just couldn't name to Ishtalk. Sakor. Yeah, it's Bradham and Core. Alright, Tom should name mock Reese. Okay, right. Ah, good ask Kuhn. Uh-oh. Push him Genie Ella. Oh, need small Genie shot. Tá. Just try hinna. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, shushing shocked. Hey, Schmarv. Yo, alright, Glyn.
Oh, arrow more. Land an arrow.
Hey, stop! 0 bugs. Frostburn Canyon. Alright. Oh, an I Sean Ots Sean will na Goliaths.
Tá, yeah.
Oh, it's full of na Goliaths. 1 second, Todder Trid.
They probably left landmarks for their reinforcements. Those should lead you to the Firehawk. That or just follow the screaming.
Step off, Vault Hunter. This is between the Bloodshots and the Firehawk. Once my boys bring his ass back to me, he's gonna pay for every Bloodshot he killed. We're gonna string him up from his own freaking intestines.
Well,
Just a brand new lads.
Needlessly graphic.
Okay. Alright. Alright, Glyn. Hello. Hello, Secret. Alright. Okay, Ashen Marv. Oh, Digwit. Ahu Queen was Sniper. Oh, hit us! Jeez.
Badass Goliath and shit. Oh,
yeah, Kimmy. Badass Goliath.
Oof.
Yeah. Tom should tree hinna. Alright.
A minigun again.
Tá. Actually, taller trid at night, Kayla.
Oh, Tasha's, yeah.
Yeah.
Just fun getting me Mara better.
Yeah. Hello. Ah! Hello, Digwit. Ah, okay. What do you... Yeah,
badass guys, those really simple. Ooh.
Stop! Let me give you a Waru!
Right there.
1 second. Yep, top.
Okay.
What's your arm?
Alright, cool, she.
Okay, this one is a 3 in it.
Tún glide a grit. Agus tá sé ag grit I dutro. Tom sé ag grithús. Tá. Hello, Digwit. She air and I are cap him. Woo! Oh, lads. Been Jacker galore. It's full of Naglai, it's just like current sheet of stock and more. Right, Kato Foka. I like to lad deer case and sin. Tá. Yeah, toss gum. Ah, beg me go bra.
Right, Sinead, lad there now.
Well, go for no, it's a lad who's or Dave Clay. Átkint. Osokor. Osakin. Gita. Trust him shit. A. Article. He smoked grenades gum. Ammo gum. Yeah, Dirk saw, yeah.
This is unusual. The Firehawk has harassed the Bloodshots for some time. They've never mounted such a large-scale assault on the Firehawk before. I wonder what's giving them such confidence.
Hello.
Keep going, Bloodshots. That demonic thing will rule the
I heard
day it messed with us. We're gonna make
grenades.
the Firehawk choke to death on his own feces.
Oh, I hear it. Nomad Sclary chopped.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's gonna fuck it. Oh, okay, lads. Tommy did your blood, Tommy did your blood.
There's the Mara session, so. Tom. Irish.
Okay, Tom. Do you have knock Marv? Tá beganí shield go fóca gom. Swisha me Amy, Ainer, okay. Tom just gonna rear ash. No, fiber bit. Tom just gonna re on so agus Dolly Vlock. Just yeah.
Okay, Tommy, give the flat.
Yeah. T'other on so. Okay.
More on ammo again, but gentlemen here.
To Goliath now, a quarter. So call me just a bit. Right. Right, so Ton Goliath can either waru inish. So okay. Tom should just shas of score. Hello, do good. Okay, Goliath talked. The Cormac, dear Canaclet, yeah.
I disappear.
Hey, that's Shamarov. Okay.
I'm with. Fair play.
Front August Homer Fos BEO size.
Yeah.
Oh, la. Okay, August just on side claim twos. Spider ants. Oh, cree. Goliath Ella. Alright. Mission Dini atá haar timple. Well tá Goliath trid I gwine looks in ish.
Oh, shield in the hit.
Okay, Spider Antic Chapter Rash. Right, so on Goliath and on Fargo. Just like brand newer. Hello, Digwit. Straight hinna.
Ah, no, they're not.
Okay, Kate Foka. Uh oh. Whoa, yeah. Cormac, what's your rare ash? Okay, tell me Rip. Lad, Olvor. Ah! Tom she grit. Toggle Orgus, just.
One.
Oh! Cormac! Oh, Judy Mac to lad out of tape here, doing.
That's a beautiful Marv, come on.
Super badass arm set.
Oh, Mr. Marv. Oh.
Yeah, dear glad and so lesh. Okay, t'other a trid and I kill cap him. Alright, some size grandma. Hey, t'other a trid. Oh, McCree. Alright, 1 second. So, oh no! Ah. Okay, lad, dear Canaklum.
Goodbye.
Oh no, Eileen Pilar Foca gum shockus in a rifle sneepera. Okay. Erlai Tomid Aaron Iyer. So size dousa togesh. Stop! Okay, gobra. No, ní smoke pilarium. Actually, when we congrokle, no, yeah, yeah. Tom just can could ní smoke ammo all. Like Mirash.
Yeah,
I might slaughter all come out.
Yeah, Mishlesh.
Or the mission because we made Mara and my ration slaunch him on.
Right. Well, to Arigil again. So Oh, Tom Sheeny Mac, Pinty the skillna gwen. Come, 1 second, just Tom couldn't need
Oh
it.
yeah, Jennifer Abbott is shooting on that.
Reload speed, yeah. You Counter Strike melee. Okay, August Counting, yeah. Kahuntuk, August tokens. Tommy of max health. August Yoig me melee. Right. Woo! Right, slaughter. August ammo. Ah! No, Tom should just go brand new armor gunny, maar Tom should you saw count. So she could bra. Cancel. August I'm gonna saw Roy make. Can. Tom can drop you know. No, Nilon count Shinu. Cap him. Yeah, August. Yeah, okay, go bro. Time break.
Eat dog. Right then.
We're supposed to like douse everyone.
Yeah.
Yo!
Dancing on ice.
Bhíonn dó hin bhain is go leor salt as an chlórshin.
You reckon river actually should.
Okay. Huh! Huh! Ar leid níl demáiste agus tú titan. Cap him.
Maker crowd me juggling slant and he's looking
Oh,
mayo.
Oh, alright. Oh, okay.
We're shitting on Eska. Couple shot listen sniper agus formaday.
Sprawl on the refill sniper. Gaffalish. Ammo. Cap an ghfuil nísmó naida húsan sa
Grenade and show mata show ain't
don't you go back or maggot? Coolest go raibh gonna I bhloc an sa cave áit cín. Ní am rócínta cín. Whoa! Okay, lá eile. Slán le. Oh, ní smó get. Okay, good bra. Rockin' with Hoos. Hoos on Staria.
That's a badass Susan show actually.
Tá, yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh no, Nomad. Or Deuce.
Oh yeah, Deuce.
Okay, agus tá sé cha Léimtí yeah, tá. Alright. Is fúlam na lad seo leis. An Rónan.
Vertical.
Yeah, tá. Just really enough. Oh, stop! Okay. Oh! Oh, Tommy map.
Okay, for my lad chin.
Oh, reload. Big knock. Second wind. Whoa, phew! Tambio. Ah, agus just canny sneeze mo pillar agus ní lein fóca go marísh.
Michelle air launch it, so I think we'll option show up and all the will.
Ah, tá gonna let go.
Let me explain something. Even if you do rescue Roland from this firehawk guy, the Crimson Raiders ain't exactly along for this world. You know what? I think you deserve a little hint. My secret involves your pathetic resistance dying, and me laughing. A lot.
You're all good, Jack. Okay, tá size na spider ants and so reached. So.
Okay.
1 second.
Second and Shinid.
Yeah.
Hang on, that sniper I've got second and Shin.
Hello. Yo. Oh, can more. Like Dira Canacklin.
Whoa.
Stop. Oh!
Okay.
Rónan! You're right, Glyn.
Arm and Shin.
Okay. Lad Dear Canacklum. Spiderling. Capan Goel ní smá badasses who's in Solesh. Oh! Koshim ha? Kloshim who? Och ní chim se who. Aha! Ah! Ra. Oh, lad of one who shocked.
Ní málam nuair léimeann siad san air mar.
Yeah.
Pyro
Pyro 1. Just thought there. Tusa tree. Okay, let I like Choxus. Oh, okay. Cormac. So, grenade dear Canacklash. Grenades focus them. Right, touching bugger rash. Ah, this tall. Scary flanky in of the high sigan. Ah, stop. Oh, okay. Okay, my shield. Im Harish.
Woo! Yes, okay.
Yahoo! Ma Shiv! Ceapan go níos stuff Tom just couldn't imach thusan so.
Níl ocht lahan fuck you.
Well. 1 second skill point skill gum reached Katoi in consume headshots crit damage, yeah. Animation.
Oh, then I'm gonna strike her arm.
Alright, Tommy Grit, the draw set.
Okay, Mission Mari.
Holder. Oh. Gone out of him. Talked.
Come here, Ash.
Goliath. Woo! Gahuntuk. Just be Cormac, yeah. Todini talked. Alright. Oh, Comel. Oh, lad Shinfoka. Lad to Goliath Trid. Howland Sun. Oh, Hitmashes! Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
Oh no, Tommy Gurash. Okay.
Listen, more everyone. From a chat. Oh, it's up there, Ash.
That's okay.
Okay, Tugalordina his lesh Capan Goel spawn ma. Yeah, he's the son. Yeah, Tother chopped. Do good. He's just Elena. I'm pinging it. Just a knuckle lots of ruin, yeah. Oh, Jigwit! Just a knuckle him. Just a cough stuff in my drawer. Nomad Ella.
Whoa.
August dinner cool.
Oh no. But alright.
Ah! Chomshe who's a gen of like you so much skill in a snipera. Fiber bit. Shanae? Capam? Alright, Chomshe chucked cheese. Ah, that's true, Hina! 1 second. Tarash!
Do not panic.
Yeah, fiber bit. Now. Okay, Carcalore. GG. Small Polarium, let the hull. Neil, Moron, Fogagum.
Captain go badass ala.
Oh, I shocked? Okay.
They play.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, Toddy grip. Okay, right. Rash. Oh.
Don't let that happen to you.
Hello, Digwit. Was that a tree hinna? What Marv? Tave heard it?
Oh, we're on
grenades them?
Hang on, let me go get the news. Second one.
Oh, it's one of them gonna stop.
Oh, Santos.
Yeah.
Woo!
They made the great news because they did Dr. Rock.
Wow, that's some. So it's traps here in Tave Clay. So Neil made it does struggle. So good.
Oh, hang on. It's gonna be gonna show.
She's just like brand new arts. Who's in son? Yeah, Lana Roig, Toshikara. Ain't what he's in son?
Discovered. I don't know. There's some kind of iron thunders, but they should do it.
Oh, what's it down Chalk to Rash?
Yeah, it's all Dramer.
Oh, the Dramer. Okay. It's so good. Gargal doing Dulce Troella.
Shield and check it. That's your roll.
No, don't go.
Whoa.
Oh.
10 yeah.
Oh! McCree. Yo!
Whoops. Forward to the mate.
Toshe Rokun.
Most shield there you go.
Oh, you feel that? The sound of those earthquakes.
Oh! We're gonna race stocks at Tina.
That's the sound of progress, baby.
Okay, for my boss. Wow.
Right, nismo ammo Okay, nismo Kianok. Kata yeah. The Holger Margaret, August, Greens. Gehuntuk. Well, Tom Medikit the high soon. Gurf Margaret, yeah. Dawn Slán. Okay, well, ain't skilla. Oh, no, Neil. To? No, Neil. In fuck them. Shigiri, well, bossy chucksus.
Neil.
Tom's gone funnocked. Diga will Rónan.
Yeah,
that's nice. I can see the Tonta.
Oh, yeah?
Neil boss.
Take him shot. Was there a Trinidad Hela?
Talking on Siren Shoes. Lilith.
Okay, Gehuntuk. Tigris. Tigris, Lilith. Because of course you lassa. Oh, no, Salon. Ihua. She Carcalore. It's Carcalore, Lilith.
Douchig. Come on, douchig.
Could you help me up?
Yeah, Fiber Bay. Chassis. Oh. Yep.
Shagam.
Yes.
Oh, I need a pick me up.
It's coming.
Fire Bay.
Iridium and Torti.
Iridium. Alright. Iridium agon. Don't show Sisagiri and Iridium a command them fain. Och,
Cad igen in sunna ridí Marie.
Appreciate it.
Seanna cooked chun oh.
Launch all arash.
Sais tu fi ar goni specialte a dhéanamh nachfuil?
Thanks. Bet you're looking for Roland, huh?
Yeah, tá.
Not here.
Aw.
Bloodshot.
Có bhfuil sé?
Never came after me this hard.
Lilith. Lilith. Oh.
Now the real fun begins. I'll see if I can't phase blast a few of them for you.
Whoa, cad a chorla. Okay, Todrick talked. Oh wow. Gur maga Lilith. Awesome.
She should come out actually.
Gehuntok, yeah, fun in le the hole.
Yeah. She's on if not miss it.
Whoa. Tá Lilith size OP. We're just like shaz of our people. Hi. Whoa, spralum na skillin so.
Badass.
Yeah, top.
Oh, share himself. Oh.
Lilith, go well too. Scary. Coward.
Whoa.
Oh, reload Comel. Mad shot Olvor, knuckle.
On a board. That's very shit.
Oh, count Ella?
Come on.
Germal good. On will friendly fire shoelish na grenades. Okay. Whoo! Ach tá tú ná tú féin a war leis na géin mar rinne me sé sin. Cúpluair.
Get some ammo. Call an ammo.
You need ammo. Lilith!
Which a brega.
King size gun a shot. Okay, fun. You're in spawns.
Oh.
Drop. Ah! Siri my gunner rush.
Nice shot.
Germaget. Uh-oh. Tom Chick full boss. Hello.
Oh my god. Come here. Go help. Ruadhán here. Karamedat.
Wow, do you work out?
Germaget. Do you hear that? Pew! Germaget. Fos BEO! Okay, tá fóca. Oh. Sheenie Mac. Ton feet. Oh no, Kianella.
Whoa, badass, that's right.
Yeah.
Don't stand a chance against us.
Sheenie Mac. The Machin Kerpna tá hard.
Dead help again.
Okay.
Go help doesn't it?
Okay.
Your eyes deceive you. An illusion.
No, dead.
Dear Kanaka lad and so. Grenades, fucker. Ah, stop!
Ammo in the hit.
Oh, Kirkish. Oh, McCree. No, Tom Chase. Oh, great.
Oh, Tom.
I'm sure we're going he's.
No, the mission froze on, but come here. God help.
Yeah, I need him now in lad shaw a war. Just some reload Oh! Go on, good.
Oh, lad Ella, no way.
Hey, second wind.
Oh, Miss Mars.
Okay, lad one. Imha. Okay. Oh, don't let Ella rash. Okay. I hear Kish. Carolyn Lillis. 1 second.
This is an Einwood feel I'll go real among it.
Oh no, Tahis!
Oh, bullshit. Oh, no bullshit, man.
Oh,
okay.
we do alarm shit. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, Lilith.
Garmaga Lilith.
Garmaga Lilith.
Right.
This is in.
Oh, here. Okay, lad of one fucker, lad of one fucker. Bird fucker, no! Oh, here, Chris. Lean grenades, nearly Ainwood fucker them. Oh, Tom History. Yeah, Tasha just like Mise a Varu and so. Garmagut?
I will owe you.
Oh, when we creating a Fiera. Wow. Vision. Yeah.
Fill iridium with.
Iridium now. Talk later.
Tata ik focus the shafts of Lilith, so you know, she'll quick then iridium to fain. Right.
Yeah, that's the stuff. Give it here.
Fiber bit, fiber bit.
No want to make thought of this stuff. Okay, can I have a valid cash call with it?
Whoo! GG Avically. Been on Yacker. Like Dom already knock Rev Lilith on Sun.
Yeah, new reference in Roesca.
Yeah. Since the vault opened, my siren powers have been getting a little awesome. Thanks to this iridium stuff. No idea why. Now, let's talk about rescuing my boyfriend.
The vocal car. Hey, hey.
Oh, we'll check. Okay,
well, before the bloodshots grabbed, Roland was getting intel from the vault and what Jack plans to do with it.
Yeah, nice impression. An old flame.
I gotta head back to Sanctuary.
Yo!
The city in one piece while Roland's away. But first, I'm gonna teleport you into Bloodshot Strong. That's where they're keeping Roland. You'll catch him by surprise with a real advantage.
Neem sé géist glad. Slán! Whoa!
Oh, mate. She shouldn't really gal.
Oh no.
Feet, didn't I?
Oh.
Still getting used to this. Reminds me though, Bloodshot Stronghold is full of real tough customers. You might want to train a bit before you take them on.
Fiber
You're doing
bit.
good out there, by the way. Keep it up.
Yeah, well, Nielemer roll cook.
All of it graha, the really good tracks as well.
Bader. Oh, Thomas Slán take Dolls House sucks me egg shul. Cool.
Sure, not new solder.
La 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 la. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, go hauling. Cane size gunny, sure. Oh, spread me. Count. Cane size rifle sniper, sure. Oh, go hauling, go hauling. Alright, so when we can name teas? She starts trying to share it, no? Oh no, it's okay. Stop and start. Okay. Ar actual sanctuary, you know.
Okay. You know, it's on the Marshall that brought to which claptrap cowell check.
Claptrap. Push your boss. No.
They had go on share on mod in a big.
Actually, it's stuck a gur rev she fos their mod.
Yeah.
We're near she session nam bugger, so. Oh, lad. Ah, here. Ah, Visagiri, Brisha.
You want to get a vehicle to soak up some bullets for you.
Oh, or want to do your appear. Okay. There we go, Seuss. Okay, talk for boss. 1 second. Okay.
Okay, ball 3.
Oh my god.
Oh, here, Kish! Tom Sugar, badass like deer or Knackling. No, Tom Shahis, Tom Shahis.
They're riding me well.
No, well, no, no.
Oh, you.
Germa good.
Machine here.
Tom Post BEO. Main grenades fóca gum.
That's right.
Sure. Chaos all vor tá dollar I can saw.
Sure.
Like
my wad web. Got my car off. Hang on.
Fire a bit. Okay, badass one fóca.
Oh.
Get to a boss? Okay, no. Right, 1 second. Okay. Yeah, okay. Gehuntuk. Right, so Neil Mead what was Rónan? Tá not different. Oh tá. Okay, Mise here. Tommy didn't core all arenas, so it's feeling Dr. Ash. Whee! Oh! Kane starts to want this shot. Hello. Oh wow, tá there's a spare leis. Right, tá Bert Fóca. Who's an arrow at the kint? Yeah, can one Fóca. Woo! My shiv. Oh! Really mad king pot. Alright! A corda! Tá she a nécloganish?
Oh, well, Hannah
Féin, yeah! So, yeah, vint an salt os. Tá sulgum gruin sibse salt os leis seor géadúr mar luach ní slúthe a críle hawl YouTube. Agus bí mar géirí cléthe nua immert, Borderlands 2. Tuis go bhfuil Borderlands 3 taréis díreach tácht amach. Bimir doráis tá sulgum an Mise cún len hí smó cléthe. Hawl an sarm block. Oh, don't you was. So mátá se ag géirí muid a leanúnt is fear le sinú Susan sa YouTube. Támuid le fáil Facebook agus Twitter leis. So, Tom se chun slána rá gur míle mágad a Ruadhán agus Rónan leis a bheith an sá lum.
Tá tú go mór leis an céice an eile Hannah Féin.
Mise leis. Right, slán go fóla cóirte.
Slán.